Hello everyone, today I'm showing you a delicious Italian stuffed pasta recipe called cannelloni. It's a wonderful option as a light starter to a substantial main course. Well, there are three parts to this recipe, that is making the tomato sauce, the bechamel sauce and the stuffing. Begin by making a tomato sauce. For that, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Do not overheat the oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 finely chopped onion and saute for about 30 to 40 seconds. Then add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn lightly brown in color. And once they have turned lightly brown in color, add 2 cups of fresh tomato pulp along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of sugar, and the star of this recipe, 3 to 4 basil leaves. Mix everything together and let it cook on low heat for about 20 minutes. Don't forget to stir occasionally until the sauce thickens. Once the tomato sauce is ready, keep it aside and move on to making the bechamel sauce. For that, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Then add 2 tablespoons of plain flour and fry on low heat for a couple of minutes to cook out the floury taste until you get a nutty fragrance. Then add 1.5 cups of milk along with half a cup of cooking cream. Then whisk it well to avoid lumps for about 2 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, take it off the heat and beat for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium speed until it turns frothy. After 2 to 3 minutes, put it back for cooking and stir regularly until a custard-like texture is achieved. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and cook for another 2 minutes. Once the bechamel sauce is ready, keep it aside and move on to making the stuffing for the cannelloni. For that, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and lightly fry for about 30 to 40 seconds. Then add 1 finely chopped onion and fry until golden brown in color. Once the onion and garlic have turned golden brown in color, add 200 grams of boiled and chopped spinach and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the water of the spinach has dried completely. Once the spinach is ready, add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Give it a quick mix and add 200 grams of grated paneer or ricotta cheese, whatever you lay your hands on. Mix everything together. This amount of stuffing mixture and sauces will be just enough for about 12 to 14 cannellonis. Once the stuffing is ready, move on to filling them with the help of a spoon as shown. And now, it's the time to bring all the three preparations together. Place the tomato sauce in the bottom of an oven-proof dish and lay the stuffed cannelloni on top. Spoon the bechamel sauce over the cannelloni and put some more tomato sauce on top. Top it up with some grated cheese. Some oregano, some chili flakes, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Cover with a foil and cook for 20 minutes covered and 10 minutes uncovered, or suggested as the pack of your cannelloni box. And here your amazing cannelloni is ready. On that note, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking. Stay tuned for many such simple yet stunning recipes.